हेलो। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। पीस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स बी ऑन एवरीवन। आज का जो हमारा सेशन है वो अभी हम जल्दी शुरू करेंगे। हमारे ट्रेनर भी जो है वो भी ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं। तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी इनफ है और लोग भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक वी कैन स्टार्ट। जाफर सर, आई थिंक वी कैन स्टार्ट द सेशन।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another session of Excel class. Alhamdulillah, the course is moving smoothly. Hope you all had a very good holiday seasons. Like we had long break. Alhamdulillah, we are back to our normal regular routine. So moving last class, we learned lot of small issues, uh, जैसे कि मिनिमम मैक्सिमम एवरेज सम, और स्कूल के जो बच्चों का स्कूल फी मैनेजमेंट कैसा करेंगे, कैसा काउंट करेंगे, इफ कंडीशन, नेस्टेड इफ कंडीशन, जो एक इफ कंडीशन के अंदर एक और इफ कंडीशन कैसा डालना है, ये सब हम लोगों ने देखा. सो आई एम श्योर सम ऑफ द मेंबर्स दे मस्ट बी हैविंग some questions or doubts. So before moving to new subject and topics, if somebody has a specific last class related issues, you can ask question and we will take it one by one. Uh, yes, Sister Abida Irfan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome,
Sir, I
salam.
was not present in my last class. I couldn't. I heard the YouTube recording, but still, I am not able to do the assignment. The problem which I am facing is with the sheet two when we are doing the fees,
Yes, yes.
nesting and again the nesting. That part it didn't go into my brain. If you can, I think many of my friends are also facing the same issue. If you can explain it in a easier way,
Okay, let's see.
if
Let's take up
possible.
another question if somebody has more questions.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Other than this, anybody having question, confusion or clarification you need? Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let me share the screen. As a quick recap, let's do the same exercise one more time, just to understand the nested if, and then also let's learn how to do the calculation from another sheet. So the whole point of having another sheet was to show you how you can access data from more than one sheet. For example, in real world application, when you work in some company, definitely you will need to access the data from other sheets. If I wanted, I could have put everything in one sheet and I would have showed you, but that is not the point. The point is we are here to learn new concepts and new techniques. So we all should learn how to access the data from different sheets, how to make formula from a different sheet. So in last class, what we learned is like if I want to find uh, total of the entire semester, like year of student, and then the by adding whether he is a art class student, whether he has joined a swimming pool class. So we will add everything together. So first we will add one, like we will see one at a time. I will show you how to add how to access the data from the second sheet. For example, if you want to find out what is the fee structure of a school, then you need to go to another sheet and see what is how much is the fee mentioned. Now this information is mentioned in another sheet. The sheet name is called fee detail. I will name the Okay, let me name this thing as we will put a name which should not confuse. Also, it should not look like a keyboard, like a computer keyboard. For example, all this I'm storing uh, school under. I will school fee. Okay, school fee details, and I am putting a hyphen in between to make sure that it looks one word. So school hyphen fee hyphen details. So this is the name of the sheet. Hope everybody can see the screen. So in this sheet, what we have done, I have saved fee, art class fee, and swimming class fee here. Just like numbers, 250 Kuwaiti dinar is the fee of one term. So if I keep a mouse pointer here, if you see the cell here, if you see, I'm annotating a place. If you see, it is written B1. So what is the meaning of B1? The cell address of this thing is B1. So this is B and this is 1. So column is B and the row is 1. So the address of this cell is called B1. So I want the content of this sheet, that is the school fee details, in my formula. So if I start my formula, let me zoom it a bit. You have to start a formula with the equal to sign. Now, do not do anything. Just go to school fee sheet and click on the uh, fee cell, the number where it is written 250 KD, that is the fee of this one semester. Just click and then press enter from your keyboard. Don't do anything. And then let me delete the annotation. Okay. So when you see here, when you press enter, if you go back and see what is the formula written here to get 1 year, one installment, I mean, one semester fee, it is written in single quote, school fee details is the name of the sheet, and then exclamatory mark. And then it is B1. So B1 is what? It is the name of the cell. So now, since it is like the B1 cell does not change, when I drag the the formula, it will not become B2, B3. So that's why always put B1 and B2 in front of the dollar sign. That is $sign B, $sign 1. So that means that cell value remains same, like the formula does not change. So let me make it, okay. So here if you see, it is showing I got the content of the next sheet by using the sheet name and then exclamatory and then putting $sign in front of B, putting $sign in front of 1. I got 250 KD is the fee value. That is for one semester. So now easily if I multiply this by 4, if your school has, like for example, if I multiply by 4, number 4, so then 1000 KD is the 1 year fee. Sometime some schools they give 3 installment facility. So if you make it like multiply by 3, then it is 750 KD is the total fee. So this is the way you take the data from another sheet. Okay. Uh, is this clear for the sister who asked the question?
Yes, sir. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, so this is how you read the content from another
Sir,
sheet.
sorry. This was cleared, but when I was dragging it down, only the three columns was I was getting the numbers, but
Mhm.
the fees for the rest of them was showing zero.
Yeah,
So
that's
that
why you
was
see, remember I gave dollar sign here. So dollar
huh?
sign is very important. If you
Okay.
don't give dollar sign, then the formula changes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, I will give you one example. This is very important to remember, and let me open a new sheet. Okay. So now, um, let me put something here that gold and silver. Gold value is 200 KD, silver is 120 KD. Okay. So now, if I want the value of gold, then just put here, click here, that is E4. E4 is the address of gold. Now I want to multiply this E4 2 times. So it became 400, right? So now look at the formula E4 into 2. Now if I drag this formula down, it became 120 because as you drag, the formula also changes. The first formula was E4. When I drag down, the formula became E5. Now it is taking the value of silver. Okay. So if you don't want your formula to fluctuate, then put your formula, the reference in along with dollar. Dollar E dollar 4 is 400. Now if you drag 100 times also, your formula does not change because you are saying don't change the address of the gold. That is by adding dollar sign. So this is very important to know whenever you want to put the formula. If you don't want to change the value of the thing, then don't do it. Now, I will give you another example. We did, yeah, here. See, whether we wanted to know whether a student is pass or fail. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Pass fail if K6 is less than 30. K6 is what? Minimum max scored by a student if it is less than 30. Now, if I put in front of K6, if I put dollar sign here, I want everybody to focus. Now I will ask the question. If I drag the formula, what happens? Can somebody raise your hand and tell me? It is right. Is this okay to put a dollar sign here? Mashallah, many people are raising the hand. Sister Amina Ibrahim.
Hi. I think if you add a dollar sign, it's not going to work for this particular one.
Why?
That's what I think. Because I'm thinking this, I don't know, but I just think it's not going to work.
No, that's not, you need to give the justification. Brother Javed Akhtar, tell me.
Yes, sir. In that case, everybody will pass
Very good. This is why everybody will pass.
because we are going to use the same formula for everybody. We are not
Uh,
going to change.
yeah, why our formula? See the formula. I am
Yeah.
saying if K6 is the minimum mark scored by Aryan Patel. So when
Yeah.
I drag the formula, I am
Yeah.
still asking if Aryan Patel has scored less than 30, then you pass. So if I drag, see, if I drag the formula, everybody is pass because
Yeah.
I am checking the value of Aryan Patel.
Yeah.
So that is the reason. Sister Reena, tell me, you raise your hand. You can unmute and answer. Okay, so basically this was the logic behind references. This is whenever it is required, whenever you think that when you drag the formula down, you want to have automatic dynamic change of value. Uh, Avni Samaria, you're raising your hand.
Yeah, I want to ask you the question. When you are saying when we are putting the dollar sign,
Hmm.
the formula remains constant if we
Yes.
drag down, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, in our case, for this swimming and art classes,
Hmm.
we want as per the students' selection, whether swimming is taken or not, art is taken or
Yes.
so
Yes.
it has to change, right?
Okay, very good. Thank you, Amni, for the good question. This means you're focusing on the detail. So let me explain it here. Well, let's go back to the school. So we'll go down. So see here, where you will put the dollar sign in the place of the reference where you think that the value you don't want to change. Fee structure does not change depending on the student, right? Brother Avni,
Yeah, yeah, correct.
fee structure does not change. So only to the fee structure reference, you put dollar sign. And if you're referring whether he has taken an art class, then you should not put dollar sign. Now, let's do that. Let's try to learn
Sir,
by.
actually, I got it now because last time it
Hmm,
was not coming, it was changing because we
hmm.
were not putting the dollar sign.
Yes, you're
Now
right.
I understood that for the fees, we have to put the dollar.
You're right.
Others, we don't want to put.
Yes, very good. That's the logic behind the putting the dollar sign.
Got it.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Okay, so I think now the things are clear. We can move ahead. Sister Amina, you want to say something?
Um, yeah, not really. I'm just understanding the concept. Though I've tried this particular one you made regarding the total payment. So
Mm-hmm.
I tried mine, but it's showing me 0. I tried the formula, but it's showing me 0.
Okay, nothing to
Yes,
worry.
sir.
You just send me the picture of your formula, picture of the sheet, the school fee sheet also. I will tell you what is wrong.
Okay.
Share it in the group. I will.
Okay. No problem.
Till then,
No problem. Thank you.
we will move forward. You're welcome. We will move forward with today's lesson. Uh, Okay, so in order to understand again, like some of the add, if, all those conditions, what we're going to do is we will try to understand one of the formula for calculating zakat. As all we know, every year Muslims they take up some amount and they distribute among poor people. So there is like a little calculation needed to find out like how much zakat is due on you. So when we do this exercise, you will learn lot of nitty-gritties of like add, subtract, and conditions. So for example, I will create one sheet here. Uh, I will name this sheet as Zakat Calcu. And then I will put the nice border so that like it is very visible. And here I will merge this. I will put a background color here, which is like very bold. And I will put the heading also like this. And I will make it alignment center. And then this is the details of savings you have. So I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will make this as center align. Okay. So first I will mention cash in hand, how much money you have. And we will try to take a Kuwait scenario with KD as a currency. So cash in hand, assume that you have 800 KD at home, and I will select all this and I will make the currency as Kuwaiti dinar. Okay. So cash in hand and total gold value you have with you. I will mention I have 3,200 KD gold with me. Total silver value according to the current market price. Uh, Silver not many people have, so 100 KD silver I have. And real estate property other than your home, I will put it. So for example, my home is worth 10,000 KD. And then I will create one more separate column here, which will I will have the background color, this one as the background. I will have this as yellow, and for this I will have as green. And then so if you have, for example, maybe you went for a murabaha car installment thing, and to the for that year car loan, for that, for example, total 3,000 KD you own to pay, and you have uh, you have given okay, on top number 5, loan money you have lend, lended to others. For example, you have given somebody, you are helping somebody, you have given 1,200 to somebody else, and you owe some money to others. So this is like you have to return around 600 KD to others. So and then mm, rented income, assume that like you are expecting 1000 KD rent cash income from here. So this, what else it's included in the, okay. So one important thing is insert bank balance. Bank around 2000 KD I have in bank. To okay. So here the okay. So so now we need to first find out the total of these details of your saving. So what I will do, I will merge this column and I will make it as one cell. Okay. And I will make it center aligned so that the everything appears in center. So this cell, let me put border so that you will understand. Okay. I want to find the total of this one and here. I want to put it here. So the formula will be sum of from here to here. Okay. So total savings, what you have is 18,300 KD. Okay. So I will merge these two cells and I will make it center. Everything is center. I will put the formula. Total liability you have is this much, 3,600 KD. You owe to other people. So that is your liabilities. So now, like, I will find the total of the cash, the saving, actual saving what you have should be this value minus this value. Okay. So your zakat is on this value. I can give here total value. See, we will not go into the very fiqh of what is right, what is wrong, or what is the rules. We will not do those things. This is just to show you a basic add update thing. So let's not complicate these things. So now I calculated total my saving and total liability, how much I have by adding two cells. And then I found by deducting your liability from the total saving. So this becomes your zakat value. So here I will merge these three cell and I will put okay, I will put this in blue color background. I will put white text. I will left align the text. I will make it bold. Here I will put the formula equal to sign your total saving into 2.5 percentage. If I press enter, 300 KD, 367 KD, 500 fills. So 500, if I want to see 3 digit, you have this digit thing, you increase the digit by adding another 0. So your total zakat value will be, I will let me center align so that it is easily. Okay. This is left. So this is like a very simple zakat calculator wherein you merge, you add something and you subtract something and try to find a thing. So this is generally how usually you beautify your sheet. Okay, by adding background colors, I will put a decent light background color here. I will put this is also light background color, and then the total, and then zakat value. Okay, so this is like a very simple calculation and like a very neatly prepared uh, zakat calculator. So I will give you 5 minutes quickly. Let's do this exercise, and then again we will come back to a new concept. 5 minutes I will give. Meantime, if you have some question, you can raise your hand. Do this and share the sheet in the screen in the WhatsApp group. We will see. You have to do all the beautification exactly like how I have done. I want the Kuwaiti currency. I want 3-digit number for the Kuwaiti, that is fills like 500 fills, 600 fills like that. And then the background border and the colors should be similar. MashaAllah, somebody has shared. No, this is old.
सर जकात अमाउंट फार्मूला क्या है सर वो?
ये नीचे वाला
हाँ सर।
ओके, उसको क्या करना है, जो आपका टोटल सेविंग है, जो नीचे जो वैल्यू है,
वो वाले आ गया सर, उधर तक आया।
हाँ, दैट इज इनटू वो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 2.5% करके देंगे तो वो आपको 2.5% दे देगा.
ओके ओके, 2.5 की हमें परसेंटेज मिला।
So
ठीक है सर।
those who are not aware of what is this 2.5, 2.5% is the agreed upon the percentage every year a Muslim supposed to take out. Like if he has 100 KD saving, he has to take out 2.5 KD out from his saving, and he has to give it to poor people. So this is the concept of zakat. So when everybody go through this work every year, usually they do it in the month of Ramadan. So they sit down, they calculate how much saving they have and how much liability they have. They deduct liability from the total saving, and whatever the amount total saving comes, out of that saving, 2.5% of the money they take it out and they distribute among poor people. So this is the concept of zakat. So with this exercise, you will learn how to arrange different values in same sheet, and then how to merge cell in order to do the subtotaling of one section, and then find sum of like two groups, Also, you will learn how to find a percentage of a particular thing. Okay, mashallah, brother Samir has posted it. Very good. Zakat calculator, details of saving, number of days, 3,000. Very good. Good job. Muhammad Yusuf has done. User cost amount will be. Very good. Good job, Mr. Yusuf. Sisters, so far. Minas Faisal, details of saving. Yeah, Minas, you need to put this formula, I mean, the values in the center of the cell. Try to do that so it will look beautiful. There is a alignment tool which you can keep the alignment center. Yes, Sister Abida.
Sir, last time I did the currency, but now I'm not getting Kuwaiti dinar.
Okay, in order to get the Kuwaiti dinar, you need to go to more number format and then go to currency. Here, try to find where is Kuwaiti dinar. If you type K somewhere down, it will be there. You select it. You will get it.
So I typed K, but it's coming something else. Got it. Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Very good. Good formatting, mashallah. Good. Okay, so your 5 minute is over. We will move on. So you keep this as a assignment also. Like those who did not finish it, you can do it like once the there are many people are asking question. Okay, Sister Asma.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. Sir,
Good
can
one.
you just repeat the zakat amount? How to take the percentage?
Okay, so it's very simple. So if you see the D14 is the value of total saving you have. Okay. See, this is the, let me annotate. This value is your total saving. So this one, you see the formula D14 into 2.5%. Percentage, this percentage sign you have to give. You got it? Yes, Sister Amina Ibrahim, uh, Sister Anis.
Yes, I was just asked the same question and I wasn't able to get the answer. It's your zakat amount will be. I'm trying to get the calculation myself too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, can you show me again how you found out that difference between the details among that
Oh,
liability and details of saving?
okay. Sister Rafia, you have any question?
Yes, sir. I want to ask that how to calculate total value.
Total value. Okay. So
Yeah.
me, I will delete both of the value. Now total value is what? The total of this is your detail of saving, and this is your liabilities. So if you deduct this value, liabilities, from this value, then it will become, for example, I will put an equal to sign. I will click on the total saving minus the liabilities. D3 minus D11.
Okay.
Okay. If I press enter, that is your actual saving, because in this year you have to pay so much car loan, you have like you need to pay some other person money. So 14,000 KD 700 rupees, I mean 14,700 is your total actual saving. So now, in order to find zakat amount, you want to find what is the 2.5% of my saving. So start with the enter sign, that is your formula. I will click here, that is to get D13. D13 is what? Your actual saving, right? So that is that value and into, for example, the into sign is in keyboard, it is star. Into 2.5 is like the value of the percentage. 2.5 percentage, if you press enter, it will show. So in order to understand, assume, forget about zakat calculator, you see the screen. Assume that your salary is 1500 KD. Okay, I will put the currency also as KD. Okay. Now, if I want to find out what is the 50% of this KD, is if I click here, F4, into 50%. See, 750 KD is the 50% of 1500. So that means your formula is the percentage formula is good. Brother Sajjad, you can ask the question.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, I
Salam.
basically had two questions.
Hmm.
Sir, I am new to this group.
Okay.
So when you told me to send the Excel, I didn't know where to send it exactly.
You are not in any WhatsApp group?
No, sir.
Okay. Put your number in the chat and they will add it in the group, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Brother Asim, you can take the number from the chat and add him in
Sure.
any of the group so that he can share it. Thank you.
Yeah.
See, one more thing I want to clarify. Some student who already know Excel must be thinking के ये क्या सर खाली बहुत दिनों से add some if match हैं आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. But remember that we are going in detail so that like everybody, like we have mashallah 132 student. Considering everybody, we want to go in like slowly so that everybody learn very easily. So this is the reason why I am giving back-to-back assignments so that you people learn and move forward very well. So I request some people to be patient. Sister Zoya. Galaxy. Unmute and ask question.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर
Salam.
सर वो बैकग्राउंड का कलर कैसे करेंगे उसमें
ओके सो कोई भी एक सेल को आप अगर सेलेक्ट करेंगे आप और यहाँ पे देखिए मैं अनोटेट करके दिखाता हूँ जहाँ पे मैं अनोटेट कर रहा हूँ वो एरिया देखिए ये जो है ये बकेट के जैसा है ना ये बकेट का साइन जो है ये जो है यहाँ पे वो डाल सकता है कोई भी कलर वहां पे सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो बैकग्राउंड आ जाएगा बकेट का जो आइकन है वहां से डालना है ठीक है Okay, let's move forward. I will create a brand new sheet. I will call this sheet. Okay, I will make this merge. Car Max showroom. Okay, assume that this is a automobile car selling showroom, and it has some sales details. It says serial number and then car sold date, sold date, brand, and then salesman, and then cost of the car. Okay, so I will put this like this. Serial number 1, 2, 3. I will put. I will drag down, and I will keep the width of the serial number as low, and I will make it as central line. I will merge this cell and then I will select one dark color and the text in white color. I will make it bold. Okay. Here, I will enter the data car sold. Camry. Wait, it's coming in. Camry, Corolla, Pathfinder, and then Land Cruiser, Prado, and randomly another car, and Corolla, Again, Land Cruiser sold, Camry sold, Prado sold, and then Alto, and then okay. So I will repeat this here again. Oh. Then date, this is just to show 24. Any date you can put it here. Generally, this is how a sales, daily sales data will be. It will have all this information. Camry belongs to Toyota. Corolla belongs to Toyota. See, if you already type something, then if you write one word, it will show automatically. Pathfinder belongs to Nissan, and Land Cruiser is Toyota. Prado belongs to Toyota. Camry belongs to Toyota. Toyota, 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 Nissan, Toyota. Prado is Toyota. Camry is Toyota. Okay. So salesman, let me take the names of these people from here, and I will put salesman names here. Okay. So I will repeat. For example, Aryan has done many sales, and Maya Kapoor also has done many sales. Priya has done. As and when the car being sold, this value is being put here. The cost of the Camry, maybe it is 12,000 KD. So I will copy this wherever Camry is here. I will put the same value. Okay. And then Corolla maybe 8,000 KD. Wherever Corolla comes, let me put this value. Okay. Pathfinder is maybe 16,000. I will put Pathfinders. Okay. And then Land Cruiser 22,000. I will copy this. Wherever Land Cruiser sale is there, I will put it here. Okay. Prado is 19,000. We will copy the Prado value here. Alto is maybe 5,000. Only one Alto sold, so one time I'll put. Okay. So this is my data. Okay. So now I need to create the summary of the overall. For example, this is like only 17 column, but in real world, every day, for example, 1 month value, if you want to take, maybe you will have like 5,000 records, 10,000 records. So it's very difficult to find how much Aryan has sold, how many Camry has sold. So like that. So now I will create a summary of total cars sold by name. So Camry until Corolla. Okay. I need to find the unique name from here. I will put Camry, Corolla, Pathfinder, also, okay. So these are all the unique names found here. So now I will center line this, merge center line. Okay. Now if I want to find how many Camry sold in this record, so then what I can do? I can do like equal to sign count if. There is something called count if. So which takes the range of your data, the range, comma, if it is, if I want to say if this is some equals to some value, then you put within double quote equal to Camry. I want if it is Camry, then count. The Camry H4 is the address. H4. Equal to sign. Yeah, here you need to find. Yeah. So see, total in my sales record, total 5 Camrys are sold. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and somewhere 5. Okay. So this is the value it is giving. So you count range from where to where you have to give, like where is your data, you have to give the data here, and if it is equal to the word Camry, then give me the value. Similarly, if I drag this down, Corolla 3 sold, Pathfinder 2 sold, Land Cruiser 3, Prado 3, Alto only 1. So it will give you the total only if the condition matches. So that is called count if. The formula is called count if. So the formula goes like this. Count double equal to sign. Count if, it's a one word. You have count if and then put the range. Where is the range you are trying to compare? And then this is the condition. Condition is what? If the value is equal to, within the double quote, if the value is equal to H4, you have to differentiate the operator equal to sign and the condition, the value, by adding a and sign. So if they are equal, then count. So this is count if. So it counts how many times Camry word came, how many times Corolla came, how many times Pathfinder came in the whole record. So this is the car total sold. So now this is like car sold. So now as for the brand example, total brand sales. So total brand sold. So we will create another table here. I will let me merge. The brand, first brand is called Toyota. Next brand is Nissan. And then Maruti. We have 3 brands. Okay. So now I want to know total Toyota, how many Toyota cars sold, how many Nissan sold, how many Maruti sold. So this one you will do it. Okay. So I will give you time now. This is an assignment now. Let's do this exercise. First, create the table like this, and then first do total cars sold by name. I will remove total cars sold, total brand sold. So try to find out the cars first and then the brand next. I will give you 5 minutes now. You need more, like let's give 10 minutes. Okay, there are these hands just now you raised, or it was the previously raised? Yes, Amina Ibrahim. Galaxy.
No, it's not. It's not now, sir. It's not now, sir. I raised it since.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, can you explain the formula again? Count if just one.
Okay, okay. What about Galaxy? What is your question?
नहीं सर, वो पहले जो पूछे थे ना वही क्वेश्चन था सर, अभी कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
है।
ओके। सो हाथ आप नीचे कर दीजिए ताकि हम लोगों को मालूम पड़े कि
जी जी जी।
also mute it, please. Okay. So one more time I will show it to you. अगर आप देखिए यहाँ पे मुझे, अगर मेरे कार शोरूम का जो डिटेल सेल्स है, समझिए कि दिसंबर 2023 का सेल है ये, तो मुझे जानना है कि मेरे शोरूम में कैमरी, कितने कैमरी सेल हुए, कितने कोरोला सेल हुए, कितने पाथफाइंडर सेल हुए, वो मुझे जानना है। तो मैं फार्मूला कैसा लिखूंगा? काउंट इफ है। द फार्मूला इज कॉल्ड काउंट इफ। ये क्या करता है? ये एक रेंज, अगर आप डेटा का रेंज देंगे तो वो पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को काउंट करेगा। ठीक है? ये कि कितने बार ये वर्ड आया है। तो मैं ब्रैकेट ओपन करता हूँ। तो सबसे पहले तो आपका डेटा का रेंज देना पड़ेगा। मेरा डेटा का रेंज जो है, आप देखिए यहाँ पे कि कार का सेल जो हुआ है वो ये कॉलम में है, विच कार बीइंग सोल्ड। तो ये कार का जो नाम है वो मुझे डेटा यहाँ पे मिलेगा। तो ये डेटा, ये मुझे रेंज लेने के लिए आसान तरीका क्या है? मैं यहाँ से जाके माउस पॉइंटर, इफ आई ड्रैग डाउन व्हेन यू आर इन द फार्मूला, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल टेक द रेंज B3 टू B19। ये आप हम लोगों को सीखना चाहिए कि विदाउट वरीइंग ऑफ ये B कहाँ है, 3 कहाँ है, वो सब, you just take the mouse pointer and start from the number 1 column to the last data। ऑटोमेटिकली वो देख लेता है, वो खुद वो फिलअप कर लेता है आपके फार्मूला में। उसके बाद मैंने कामा डाला। यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया मुझे डालना है कि अगर वो वैल्यू, फॉर एग्जांपल इक्वल टू साइन, यहाँ पे डबल कोट के अंदर मैं इक्वल टू साइन डालता हूँ। इफ इट इज यहाँ पे अगर इक्वल टू के बाद, डबल कोट में इक्वल टू डालने के बाद यू हैव टू पुट एंड। इफ इट इज इक्वल टू द कार नेम। ये कार नेम कहाँ मिलेगा मुझे? ये जो कार सोल्ड करके जो टेबल मैंने बनाया, उसमें मैंने कैमरी, पाथफाइंडर, लैंड क्रूजर इसमें लिखा हूँ। फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो क्या है वो कैमरी का है। तो आई नीड टू क्लिक दिस सेल। इफ यू रिमेंबर, if you know what is the H value of the that cell, it is H, and then let let me remove this one. Okay, see, it is H3। मैं H3 को, I'll come back here। If I increase this H3 मैं करता हूँ, और H3, no, it's not H3, it should be H4, then close। देखिए H4 क्या है? कैमरी जो लिखा है वो सेल का नाम H4 है. तो आई वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी कैमरीज सोल्ड. सो मैं फार्मूला में जाता हूँ. काउंट इफ the range of the data is the B2 का जो सेल है वहां से ये है. B3 to B19 is my data. यहाँ पे अगर कोई चीज कैमरी करके अगर वैल्यू मिलता है तो वो काउंट करेगा हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द वर्ड कैमरी हैज कम. ओके. देन इफ आई ड्रैग दिस, the formula will find how many times the Corolla has come. If I drag down, it will find how many times Pathfinder has come. If I drag down, it will say Land Cruiser. ऐसा ही सब फाइंड करेगा. मैं ये फार्मूला को जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन आई विल पुट इट ऑन बोथ जेंट्स एंड लेडीज ग्रुप फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी मैं डाल देता हूँ. काउंट रेंज डालना पड़ेगा आपको एंड देन कामा यहाँ पे कंडीशन एंड उसका जो एड्रेस ऑफ रेफरेंस डेटा, रेफरेंस सेल, ये जो है इसका ये है. मैं लेडीज में भी डाल देता हूँ. काउंट इफ का जो ये क्या लेता है, सबसे पहले तो रेंज देना पड़ता है, उसके बाद कंडीशन वेदर इट इज इक्वल टू this thing. Now, in order to understand this even better, what we will do is, let me take you to the school thing. Now, if I want to find, for example, I will have one formula here. यहाँ पे मैं फार्मूला डालता हूँ कि मुझे देखना है कि हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट हैव स्कोर्ड मोर देन 90 मार्क्स. ओके. मोर देन 90 मार्क्स मैथ्स में कौन लिए हैं, कितने स्टूडेंट्स लिए हैं, मुझे जानना है. ओके. सो द मैथमेटिक्स का जो डेटा है वो यहाँ पे है. द एड्रेस ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इज 3E6. okay. So now I will put a condition, count if I want the range is E6 to E, मैं 100 डाल देता हूँ, वो नीचे तक जाएगा वो. एंड कमा I want to see if it is double. Last example में we saw equal to sign. I want to see the greater than sign now. Greater than का मतलब क्या है कि अगर if somebody is greater than 90 the mass, then count. So it is saying 1, number 1. तो मैथ्स में सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट है ना 90 के ऊपर लिया है. लेट मी सी, लेट्स गो टू द मैथमेटिक डेटा. सी, द रोहन सिंह हैज स्कोर्ड 99 and rest of the students have scored 90. Now if I, for Kavita Desai, I will put 98 marks in maths. So if I go back to my formula, there are 2 students who have scored more than 90. That is why I have given more than sign. If I say मुझे पता करना है कि कितने लोग फेल हुए हैं, तो if I say less than 30, तो less than 30 in maths nobody. Okay. मैथ्स में देखिए लेस देन 30 nobody scored. So in order to test, I will mention that Maya Kapoor has scored 20 in maths. So my formula should show one student is failed. So this is how you use COUNTIF. You can use the COUNTIF to measure number of occurrences. You can compare the word or you can compare the number. Anything you can do it. Sister Menas.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. Yes,
Hello.
ask question.
Sir, the formula that we use, if we can apply to all the, yeah, sir, the formula that we used for Camry, if I am dragging it down, will
Hmm.
that apply to all the cars sold?
Yes, yes, yes. It will take it to Corolla, Pathfinder
But
automatically. It
sir,
will
I am
take.
not getting it. I am getting the cell values. Uh,
See, spelling should be, you should
Sir,
be
I'm
careful
actually
about the
I
spelling.
tried, but I'm getting the wrong answer. Actually, the cell values for Corolla,
Hmm.
they are taking the, sir, the address is getting changed for the second number
Yeah, it
for
should,
Corolla. The
it should get
address is
changed, no?
getting changed in the formula. So should I change it for all the types, or I should just drag it?
Drag. You know how to drag at the corner. You should put, you should drag it from this corner. You are seeing the screen? You see, I will delete the formula here. I will put my drag. See how I drag? You drag like this. Automatically, the value should change because it is comparing with this cell. Alto, Pathfinder, Corolla, Camry, like this. In the formula, you should not write Camry. You should write the address of the Camry. So when you drag down, even the address also will change. Is it clear, Sister Minas?
And Jafar sir,
Yes.
we have 10 minutes to go.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I will put this as like assignment for you people for total brand sold thing. Now we will see there is one more formula. It is called sum if. So sum if, what it does, it takes value, it takes the range where to sum, and if it is equal to particular brand, and where to sum it. Okay, three values it will take. So equal to sum if, I will take the range is this, and then it should be the equal, it should be equal to Camry. I will put the Camry address. This is the condition. Where it should sum, the cost of the car. So if I put, so total value sold of Camry is 60,000. 60,000 जो है वो Camry से income हुआ है ये showroom को. If I drag down, if you really want to see whether your formula is correct, आल्टो का कितना टोटल सेल हुआ है, एक आल्टो गया है और इसका 5,000 है. जस्ट चेक हाउ मच इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द आल्टो इज 5,000. सो इन प्रिंसिपल योर फार्मूला इज करेक्ट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सम इफ. वो तभी जाके सम करेगा जब उसका कंडीशन मैच होगा. So let me put this formula also in the group so that like you will remember. Sum if ये है ऐसा, and this value it depends on your excel sheet. हाँ, आप as it is copy paste करेंगे तो फार्मूला नहीं चलेगा. ये सम इफ का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी मैं डाल देता हूँ. रेंज आपको पहले देना पड़ता है. और उसके बाद कंडीशन देना पड़ता है, उसके बाद एंड साइन एंड टारगेट सेल क्या है और सम रेंज देना पड़ता है। तो इसका यूज क्या है, इसका फायदा, ये तभी जाके काउंट सम करेगा जब आपका कंडीशन मैच होगा, तब तक वो सम नहीं करेगा। अर्लियर वी सॉ काउंट, वो नंबर ऑफ अकरेंसेस करेगा। नाउ वी सॉ काउंट सम इफ, count if will find how many times it appeared. Sum if will add the value which you have given in the range. So this is the two very important, very useful formula you should learn. Very simple. आपको कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। आपको बस रेंज याद रखना है, कंडीशन याद रखना है और एंड साइन। इफ यू फॉरगेट एंड साइन यू विल नॉट गेट इट। So this one you should remember. Yes, Samir.
Sir, can you explain one more time, sir? The sum if first is the name. Okay.
Okay. मैं देखिए अभी एक और बार करके दिखा देता हूँ। फोकस विथ मी एंड लेट मी जूम इट। ओके। सो सबसे पहले तो आपको कार सोल्ड का जो डेटा है, ये जो रेंज है, वो आपको ये कहाँ कितना ये है वो देखना पड़ेगा कि कैमरी जो कार सोल्ड है उसका जो डेटा का रेंज है B3 to B17। ओके, B3 to B17 is the car sold data and F3 to F17 is the cost of the each car। ओके।
Okay.
और ये जो वर्ड कैमरी जो लिखा है उसको मुझे यहाँ पे कंडीशन में डालना है, उसका एड्रेस क्या है, H4।
हाँ।
ठीक है।
Yeah.
ओके, नाउ मैं आपको पूछते रहता हूँ, आप मुझे बोलिए। लेट्स
ठीक है
बिल्ड फॉर्मूला टुगेदर। इक्वल टू साइन सम इफ, मुझे ये बताइए कि जो कार का जो नाम है वो डेटा किधर है, वेर इज व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ द डेटा।
B3 to B19।
ओके, B3 टू कैसे डालना है, ये जो दो डॉट आते हैं ना, सेमीकोलन, वो
हाँ,
बीच में डालना है, B3 to B19। यस।
19।
ओके,
हाँ,
ये
कमा।
रेंज है, ये टारगेट, ये रेंज है जो जहां से मुझे कैमरी ढूंढना है।
ओके।
आई विल पुट कमा and then within double quote I should tell whether you are comparing। इक्वल टू साइन डालेंगे तो आप बोल रहे हैं कि इफ इट मैचेस विथ द वर्ड कैमरी देन यू फाइंड टोटल। ओके, तो इक्वल टू साइन जो है उसको डबल कोट में डालेंगे आप, और उसके बाद एंड यहाँ
एंड
पे
सिंबल, उसके
एक,
बाद
एक सेकंड रुकिए।
कैमरे का स्ट्रक्चर।
मैं इक्वल टू साइन डबल कोट में हम लोग इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि वो एक कैमरी इज ए टेक्स्ट, तो वो टेक्स्ट के लिए टू कंपेयर, इक्वल टू साइन इज द ऑपरेटर, दैट इज वेदर यू आर कंपेयरिंग। और कैमरी जो लिखा है यहाँ पे मेरे टेबल में, उसका एड्रेस क्या है,
H4।
H4। वेरी गुड। जहां पे H4 है, अगर वो जहां पे भी ये मिलता, H4 में जो वैल्यू है कैमरी, वो जहां पे मिलता है तो सम द करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ द सेल। तो मुझे सम करने के लिए जो वैल्यू है, वो रेंज है, उसका रेंज का ये बताइए मुझे एड्रेस, किसको सम करना है।
F3 to F19।
F3 to F19। आई विल क्लोज, प्रेस एंटर। सी 48,000 जो है सिर्फ कैमरी से आया है। नाउ व्हेन आई ड्रैग डाउन, ऑटोमेटिकली कैमरी के जगह पे कोरोला लेगा वो, राइट?
हाँ,
कैसे, हाउ कैन यू से दैट इट विल टेक कोरोला?
यहाँ
क्योंकि
पे J9
फार्मूला
है
जब,
ये।
हाँ जब भी फार्मूला,
H5 एड्रेस है।
हाँ यहाँ पे जो H5 जो एड्रेस है, वो जब भी आप रिलेट जो विदाउट जो डॉलर साइन अगर जब भी आप एड्रेस देंगे तो जब भी आप ड्रैग करेंगे तो उसका नेक्स्ट वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिक ले लेगा कोरोला का। ऐसा ही व्हेन यू ड्रैग your formula automatically will take pathfinder as the data because it increases the जो रेफरेंस है H3 H4 H5 H6 वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो अपने आप वो चेंज करेगा। अगर वो चेंज नहीं करना है तो आपको वहां पे डॉलर साइन डालना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इन दिस केस वी कैन नॉट पुट डॉलर साइन, वी वांट टू चेंज दिस वैल्यू आल्सो। इसके साथ वो कैमरी कोरोला भी चेंज होते रहे, उसीलिए हम लोग रेफरेंस को भी हम लोग ड्रैग कर रहे हैं। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर। अभी हम लोग और कुछ कंडीशन इंक्लूड कर सकते तो सेम फॉर्मूला में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं जैसे इसका है।
हाँ, इक्वल टू साइन, मोर ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू, ऐसा सब कुछ भी साइन डाल के कंपेयर कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू।
ओके, तो आप नेक्स्ट जो आपका ये रहेगा, तो यहाँ पे योर टास्क इज टू फाइंड टोटल कार का जो ब्रांड वाइज एंड कॉस्ट वाइज, इसको आपको यहाँ पे टोयोटा का कितने टोयोटा के कार सेल हुए, कितने निसान के गाड़ी सेल हुए, कितने मारुति के सेल हुए, आप यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, उसका टोटल करेंगे यहाँ पे, so that I want to see the result. And then यहाँ पे सेल्समैन डैशबोर्ड भी डालूंगा मैं। सो सेल्समैन का डैशबोर्ड क्या रहेगा कि each salesman how much car he has sold। तो मैं आर्यन पटेल का नाम लेंगा, प्रिया शर्मा, ओके, इतने सेल्समैन के नाम मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिया। आई विल पुट बॉर्डर, ओके। सो बेस्ड ऑन द सेल्समैन आल्सो यू शुड फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी कार आर्यन, मुझे अगर जानना है कि आर्यन पटेल इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द नेम, आई वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी कार ही हैज सोल्ड, ओके, and how much value he has sold, so that we can give him the commission value, okay? So his commission यहाँ पे total commission how much he should get it, वो यहाँ पे रहना है। So assume that his commission is the salesman commission is 5% of total sales. So you should find this one in your assignment। मैं आप करके नहीं दिखाऊंगा, आप करके आप इसमें डालेंगे, ठीक है? तो इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट भी मैं डाल देता हूँ। यू नीड टू फाइंड ये दिखाना है, एंड देन टोटल कार सोल्ड का एक दिखाना है, और सेल्समैन के डैशबोर्ड में जो है आपको उसका कमीशन, उस महीने का जो कमीशन जो आना है उसको वो दिखाना है। तो दीज 3 आर असाइनमेंट्स, आपको असाइनमेंट करके ये ग्रुप में पेश करना है। I will put in, yeah, okay. So Asim bhai, you keep an watch on who all are filling the assignment, so that like based on the assignment participation only, you will give the certificates to the attendees.
Yeah.
So make sure you note down who all are actively participating in giving the assignments. So I think we
Yes.
will wind up here, unless if somebody has a question. Let's give you a 2 minutes question time. Zayauddin, you can ask question. Abida Irfan, Amni.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome, salam.
Sir, in salesman dashboard, we have to find a single commission for one person or directly total commission for all person.
सी सबसे पहले तो आपको आर्यन पटेल कितने कार सोल्ड सेल किया है वो जानना है। उसके बाद कितना कॉस्ट उसने कितना टोटल सेल कंपनी को दिया है। आर्यन पटेल अगर समझिए कि 50,000 टोटल
फॉर्मूला
सेल दिया है
काउंट
तो
check.
दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड। देन एट द एंड ये सॉरी नॉट कमीशन। That's good question. Thank you. I will bring it down. Salesman name, car sold, total value, and his commission. ऐसा रहेगा. Okay, so this is correct. I hope this is a question brother asked, right? So thank you for asking this question. I will take a screenshot of this. I will share it in the group, and I will remove the previous salesman dashboard, delete for everyone, and I will put it here, and I will delete this, delete for everyone. Okay. Okay. So is it clear? Whoever asked the question? Yes, sister, Dr. Fatima B. Muhammad Sufyan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome, salam.
In this tab of commission, how many percent or what we have to add? How many percent, sir?
I mentioned in the group, no? If you see the WhatsApp group, it is mentioned.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sufyan Zufari, you have any question?
Assalamualaikum, sir. How do we find the commission for salesmen?
Okay, see, in the zakat calculator, if you remember, yeah, I showed you how to find zakat of a particular thing. If you see the formula, total into the percentage and with the percentage sign. Do you remember this zakat calculation? In the similar way, you can find the percentage of a commission. Commission is always on a percentage. So in the WhatsApp group, I mentioned that the percentage of commission is how much? 5% I showed, right? Salesman commission is 5% of total sales. So here, when I come back here, if the total sale is 100 KD, he will get 5 KD as a commission. Okay? So this is the logic of the commission. Okay. Omni, Galaxy.
Yeah, sir, I have a question.
Yes.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर वो ग्रुप
पहले
में
एक
ऐड
कर लेने दीजिए, अवनी स्टार्ट किए. Yes, अवनी.
I have a question for brand sold.
Okay.
My formula is not working. I sent you the screenshot also.
Okay. I don't want to show the formula now because I want the attendees, the whoever attended the class, to analyze how I showed car sold so that he can do the brand sold. It is similar to car sold. So if I show you the formula now, then the concept of assignment will be waste. So don't worry, you go back tomorrow when they upload the video on the YouTube, you watch it again, and then you can do car sold. Easy. You have to do it. Then only you will learn.
No, I have done car sold. I have understood also. And don't tell me you want to keep it like that. But only a question is that, is it the same formula for car sold and brand sold?
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Brand is
not working. It's not working for me.
it will work. Somewhere you are doing some mistake. Try to analyze because the task is to make sure you give like some thought to the thing, so that like you understand like what is the formula used in car sold. Similarly, you will put it in the brand sold.
Fine. Again, yeah. Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sayyid Badruddin.
हाँ, ये जो टोटल ब्रांड सोल्ड है सेम थिंग आएगा कार सोल्ड का फार्मूला।
हाँ, जहाँ पे कैमरी कितने कैमरी सेल हुए हैं जब आपको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, तो कितने
हाँ वो
टोयोटा
तो कर
सेल
दिए,
करते हैं वो, हाँ,
वो हुआ।
तो कितने टोयोटा सेल हुआ है वो भी मालूम होना चाहिए।
ओके, सेम फार्मूला डालने का है, ठीक है। ओके,
हाँ हाँ हाँ। मैं फार्मूला यहाँ पे बताऊंगा नहीं, क्योंकि आई वांट यू पीपल टू थिंक अबाउट इट।
या नो नो ओके।
सिस्टर जैनब, सिस्टर अनीता।
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. Can you please explain this total car sold value, that formula?
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay. What is the Zainab question?
Sir, when I'm doing the total brand sold, it is coming as 0 only, sir.
So brand sold, I will not explain it now. Okay, this is purely for the homework. So I want you people to watch my video when they put it tomorrow. Analyze how the car sold happened. So when car sold, when you get the value car sold, you should get brand sold also. When car
Okay.
sold can work, the brand sold also will work, inshallah.
Inshallah, sir. And this one, can you please explain about the zakat calculator? How you did the totaling, sir? Because the net was not this one. Okay.
Then I'm very sorry. You can watch the recording tomorrow when they upload, because we are running out of time. So sister asked to repeat the what you called sum if. So I will let me
Yes,
delete.
please. Thank you.
Yeah. Now sum if has two the structure. If you go to the WhatsApp group and if you see sum if format. Let me scroll up. Where did I? Okay. Sum if has range and the condition and total where to sum it. Okay. So equal to sign, I will put sum if. I will open the bracket. First select the range of place where you want to count your cars.
Okay.
Okay. So how to select the range? I already showed you.
Yes.
Just drag and drop, it will help you.
Okay.
Now I want to, since I am comparing with the equal, I am comparing the data with the word Camry. Okay. So that's why within double quote, you should put equal to sign. Okay. And then separate the equal to sign and the target value by and sign. Okay. So what you want to compare at this stage, you want to compare how many Camrys, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So I will click on Camry. So it will take the H4 as the Camry.
Okay.
I want to know how many Camrys are
Camrys
there.
are sold. Yes.
Yeah. Now, comma, you should tell the Excel that what to count, what to sum. So sum is starting from F3 to F19.
F3 to, yes, F3 to F19, correct.
Yeah, close the bracket. It will sum automatically for you the value. Wherever the Camry word comes, it will count how many cost.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Got it.
If you
Yeah.
drag down, automatically it will find.
Others will come. Others will come. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So I
Yeah,
think we
thank you.
will stop it here. Over to you, Asim Bhai.
Yes. There are some questions, but I think we can take them in next session, or maybe we can take them on group, maybe. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Jafar sir, for joining the session and mentoring the students. Let's meet on Sunday, inshallah. We'll post the message to join the link. Thank you. I'll close the meeting.